If you're using your credit card points to book your hotels and flights only through the credit card portal, then you're doing it all wrong. If you've got the travel bug and you find yourself daydreaming about your next trip literally every day, just go ahead and book that flight. Yes, traveling can be expensive, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be, especially if you use your credit card points to get you there for free. I see so many people making the mistake of booking their flights and or their hotels through their credit card portal. And that's because most of the time the credit card has this amazing sounding offer like book your travel through us and your points will be worth 1.5% more or 50% more. And that's how they get you because that sounds like a great deal, right? It's okay. I used to do this before too, and that's before I found out how I can get even more free travel by doing this one thing. So let's get right into it. Now, the best way for you to get the most bang for your buck is by transferring your credit card points to your credit card's hotel or airline partner. Now what that means is most credit cards, and in this video I'm just going to use a Chase Sapphire Reserve as an example because that's one of the more popular travel credit cards, but most credit cards have partnered up with a bunch of airlines and a bunch of hotels, and that means that you can transfer the points you've accumulated on your credit card over to these partner airline or hotels, and then you can use those points to book flights or hotels directly with those partners. Let's take a look at an example. So here I am in my Chase portal trying to book the Hyatt Place Hotel in Chicago, and this hotel in my Chase portal is showing up as being a little bit over 35,000 points per night. So now what I'm going to do is go into my Hyatt account and book directly through the Hyatt website. And as you can see, that exact same hotel for the same dates, the same rooms is literally 18,000 points per night. That is almost half. So this is what I mean when I say that your points go much further when you book directly with the airline or the hotel by transferring your points over to those partners. That is a pretty significant difference in points. Also, I want to add that a lot of times these airlines will have sales or special offers. So say you transfer over your Chase Ultimate Rewards points over to KLM at a 1-for-1 ratio. So that's one Chase reward point for one KLM point. I believe once a month, they actually do an offer where one Chase Ultimate Rewards point will be worth 1.15 KLM points, allowing your points to even get you further. This is the true essence of travel hacking. You absolutely have to use your credit card's travel partners to get the most out of your points. But before you even do that, you need to make sure that you have a good credit card that lets you maximize your points so that you can travel even more and quicker. And if you want to learn more about that, then I highly suggest you check out this video next where I go over the best travel credit cards. I'll catch you in the next video.